So you've probably heard of Twinkl Phonics, the DFE validated, fully comprehensive, systematic synthetic phonics teaching program. But did you know you can help children reach their phonics goals in the classroom or at home with our Twinkl Phonics app? Available for web and iOS, it's packed with activities and games that makes phonics fun. Fully aligned with our DFE validated SSP program, you can relax knowing that progression is seamless between home and school. Once logged into your Ultimate account, access the app from the landing page. To explore the adult settings, select the web app button, then click Adult. From here you can explore games, manage learner settings, and see how your learners are engaging and progressing through their assigned content. You can customise learner settings to ensure that children are working on content that is appropriate to their stage of phonic development. Enable access to all levels, or select the specific levels you'd like your learners to access. Choose to keep all of the content and games in a level locked for learners to progress systematically through each phonics focus, or unlock them all for revision and consolidation. Whichever you choose, you can be confident that children are accessing phonics content that's perfectly matched to their needs. You can also track learners' progress and see which child has used the app, which games they've played, and their progress through the levels. Learners can access the app on a web browser through the learner login page at twinkl.co.uk/learn. Alternatively, they can download our iOS app through the Apple App Store. Just search Twinkl Phonics. By using their learner login details, information syncs between devices, so learning can continue wherever they are. Once logged in, learners find themselves at Kit and Sam's treehouse. This is the Twinkl Phonics app homepage. The numbers on the tree trunk represent the levels, and these correspond to the levels in the Twinkl Phonics SSP program. As well as accessing any levels that have been allocated to them, learners can see their rewards for playing the games. They can also spend their stars customising their Robot Rick avatar. Once a learner has chosen a level from the tree trunk, they can choose from the phonics focuses that are available to them. The default setting shows all except the first phonics focus as locked, with learners unlocking the next focus by completing all games in the current one. This encourages learners to progress through the content systematically, building upon prior knowledge and skills. The numbers that are in colour are the focuses that are unlocked and available to play. Some of our favourite games are Balloon Pop, Seal the Ship, Pizza Chefs, and the Mini Books. Each game focuses on a different skill, delivered through the stories and adventures of Kit and Sam, the main characters of the Twinkl Phonics SSP program. The Twinkl Phonics app provides game-based focused learning activities that are fully aligned to Twinkl Phonics, from the start of their journey at level 1 through to the end of level 6. Whether you want to share learning at home, support an intervention group, or consolidate learning in your setting, the Twinkl Phonics app contains everything your learner needs, right at their fingertips. For more information, visit twinkl.co.uk/phonics-app.